Pakistan's climate change minister has said industrialized countries must keep their promise to pay reparations to countries facing the consequences of global warming. Sherry Rehman was speaking after floods that have affected the lives of more than 30 million people. Balochistan is one of the most affected areas, and many districts are still out of reach as roads and bridges are swept away. The BBC's Farhat Javed has been given access to one rescue mission there by Pakistan's army.
Shocked, shattered and starving, the fight for survival gets harder. Abbas and his cousin have just been rescued from a village that has been cut off for days.
The rains destroyed everything. Then all my equipment was washed away by the flood. My house was razed to the ground. I still have the key of my shop. I don't have the courage to throw it away. It was my bread and butter.
This is the province of Balochistan, almost half the country's total land and the least developed. Fields, usually used as farmland, now completely submerged in water. And people run after aid, even if it means putting their lives in danger.
What we are seeing here is complete destruction. Everything these people owned is destroyed. Every bit of their land, every piece of their belongings is gone with the water.
Military helicopters carry out daily rescue operations in this remote area, but there are not enough of them to reach every part of this vast province. At a relief camp in Dera Murad Jamali district, families get basic aid, but the emotional toll of this disaster is clear.
The water was this high. My husband and I picked up our children, but the water was flowing very strongly. We tried really hard to keep holding on to our children's hands. They kept slipping. My husband held my hand and kept telling me to stay strong, to keep walking and not to be scared.
And the fear now is that time is running out for some of those most desperately in need. Farhat Javed, BBC News, Balochistan.